Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate free CDN on Bluehost. I just tap on the browser and the first thing you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in descriptions for referral. So how to enable Cloudflare on. So first log into your account manager, second click to the website tab from the side navigation, third locate the website you wish to enable the CDN for and click settings. You will see there is an example photo. So fourth, click the speed tab from the horizontal menu. 5, scroll down to the Cloudflare selection and click add Cloudflare. Just tap on is I read mark. So Cloudflare will be added to this site. This normally takes less than an hour. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact the chat support of Bluehost. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.